has gone with a strong lineup here. Referee gets this match underway. At the striker's feet. Now it's Pogba. Shoots! Good catch by the keeper. He's headed the ball forward. It's Messi! Oblak, what a stop! Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. That one has gone out of play.
Every time there's conversation,
The keeper passes it straight to his player. Now Ramos. Now Ramos. Oh, how unlucky. It's Messi with the ball. Neymar. Passed well. Now it's Pogba. Passing the ball really well. That's nicely played. The striker picks it up. Ronaldo got a good hand behind that. Good clearance. He really got behind that. Salah. Some really fluid passing on display. Mbappe. Is this the moment? What a goal! Fantastic stuff. Looking at the build-up play, the opponent stood no chance. Brilliant, well-worked goal. They've been up against it so far, but they've pulled ahead with that goal. Headed on. Now Ramos. Great patience here. It's Messi with the ball. Volleyed forward. And that clearance will lift the pressure. Really well played. Here's Mane. Oh, Mane! Oh, not the best effort there. Well, let's have a look at that one again. Mbappe. We're entering injury time. He must score. What a finish. 2 goals today from this exciting player. The replay will give us a closer look. So after 45 minutes, it's half time. They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. The second half gets underway with one team 2-0, sends it forward. Great chance here. Messi shoots. He should be doing better there. Oh, what a miss, especially for a player with his shooting skills. It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. That's good link-up play. Here's Ronaldo. Mbappe. Mbappe. It's Messi with the ball. It's Messi with the ball. It's now 4-0. Long ball then. Oblak collects. Passed well. They're moving the ball about so well. There's Van Dijk. It's Messi with the ball. Here's Van Dijk. Good possession. Gets in the way of the shot. Van Dijk gets it away.
Try your luck, try your luck, try your luck now. Is it tough? Is it tough to play? I give up, I give up, I give up now.
Manager is bringing 2 players on. Sterling. He's headed the ball forward. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. And with the defender now. And we're entering stoppage time now. Now it's Griezmann. Really good possession here.